So the question here is, consider the following statements with regard to India's foreign policy, which is very straight. The first statement he is asking here: India's Act East policy was originally conceived as an economic initiative, but had later extended into political, strategic, and cultural dimensions. Now, if you go back to history of Indian foreign policy, first, India has brought Look East policy. I hope you are aware of Look East policy. Look East policy was brought in 1990s by P.V. Narasimha Rao sir to enlarge or to integrate India's economic relations into global area. For example, in 1990, we have brought LPG reforms, liberalization, privatization, and globalization. And you all are aware of these LPG reforms. So the objective of this LPG reforms is to integrate Indian economy into the global trade, the global economy. So in an effort to integrate Indian economy and to expand India's exports and Indian economy into the East Asia and Southeast Asia, the P.V. Narasimha Rao sir has tried to brought Look East policy, where the primary objective of this Look East policy is to enlarge or to engage India's international relations in Southeast Asia and East Asian nations. This Look East policy was continuing, and in the 2014, after the Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi has came into force, he has brought Act East policy in continuation of Look East policy. So this was originally conceived as an economic initiative only, but had later extended to political, strategic, and cultural dimensions. Currently, it is Act East policy, not Look East policy, and this statement is true.